Hello students, today we are going to start grammar chapter 12, that is adjectives. What is the adjectives that we are going to see today? In English there are 8 parts of speech, which are that see noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. From these 8 parts of speech, some parts of speech maybe you have learned. Today we are going to see adjective. What means adjectives and which are the types of adjective? This part we are going to learn in this chapter. We'll see first what means adjective. Now in yellow color box, the definition of adjective is given, that we'll see. A word that tells us more about a noun is called an adjective. Means a word that tells us more about a noun. That word is called an adjective. For example, see here, example is given. First, a short pencil. Now, a short pencil. In this, which is the noun? Pencil. And how is the pencil? Short. Means pencil is described by which word? Short. So, short is called here what? Adjective. Next example, we'll see it is there only. A long scale. Now, you can see here. Scale is there. How it is? Long. Now, here, scale is what? Noun. Now, which word is used for the scale? Adjective. Long. How is the scale? Long. So, long is what here? Adjective. Means about noun, more information. Which word is telling? That is called adjective. So, long is called adjective. In short, which word describe the noun? That word is called adjective. So, here, long is what? Adjective. After definition, we'll see next question. First, answer this question to find out how an adjective tells us more about a noun. First, what is the color of your school shirt? That is white. B. What is the shape of your lunch box? Your tiffin. You're having tiffin, that tiffin's shape you have right. Maybe it is square, rectangle. Which shape you are having of your lunch box that you have tried? See how many members are there in your family. You have to count the number of your family members and you have to write. I have given answer, that also you can write, or you can write your own answer also. Next, the answers you have given are all adjectives. Means whatever answer, white, square, 4 it is given, that are called what? Adjectives. Numbers, shapes and colors are adjective. Means whatever numbers are there, that. After shapes, different shapes are there, that. And colors, red, blue, these colors, these all are called what? Adjectives. Because they describe the noun. They tell more about noun. Next, we are going to see page number 46 from book. What is given? See, warm up. Look at the pictures and write 4 adjectives to describe them. The picture is shown. That picture you have to describe with the help of adjective. This question can have many answers, different answers. These are not different answers you can write. Now, first picture, if you see that picture, you can use many adjectives. This picture, if you see, it is related to rainy season. So, rainy, this adjective you can use. After cloudy climate, so cloudy word you can write. After sunny, mean cheerful, you feel happy, like this climate it is. So, which adjective? Sunny it is wrote. And trees are green color, so green word is used. Next picture, you can see Joker's face. You can describe it as a funny face, bright face, colorful, means you can see that many colors are there. So colorful. And you can see this Joker, his face is looking happy. So happy. This was the adjective you can use. Next picture of rose it is. See now, beautiful rose you can write. Red rose. Which picture is seen that you have to describe? Fragrant. 3 flowers. Means any adjective you can use to relate to that picture. Like this, remaining pictures answers are given here. You can copy it. Page number 48. On this page, second question is given. Fill in the blanks with adjectives of your choice. Of your choice, any adjective you have to write. And that answers of this question, it is given here, that you can copy it in your book. Next, we are going to see the types of adjectives. First type it is adjectives of quality. In blue color box, the definition of adjectives of quality is given, that we'll see. Adjectives that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives of quality. Means there are some adjectives, they describe the quality of whom, person, place, animal or thing. That adjectives are called adjectives of quality. Upside, some examples are given. See, read this word, honest man. Now, honest, this is the adjective. Which type of adjective it is? Adjective of quality, because man, how is the man? Honest, means man's quality. Which word is telling? Honest. So, honest is the adjective. Which type of adjective? Adjectives of quality. Next, tall giraffe. Now, how is the giraffe? Tall. The quality of the giraffe, which word is telling? Tall. So, tall is what here? Adjectives of quality. Next example, true incident. Now, incident, what is the quality of that incident? It was true. So, true is what here? Adjective of quality. The highlighted adjectives describe the quality of the noun. Here, noun means upside you can see man. Man is the noun in first example. Second, giraffe is a noun. And third example, incident. It is one noun. And this noun, all nouns are described by adjectives. And these words or adjectives, they are which type of adjective? Adjectives of quality. Mostly adjective comes before a noun. Remaining part we'll see in next video. Today's homework, on page number 46, 47 and 48, some exercise are given. That exercise answers are given in this video while teaching. That answers you have to copy on that pages. Thank you.